Hello students, I am Vijay Sharma. I am an engineer. Today we will discuss Cramers rule of determinants. We will solve these equations by Cramers rule of determinants. So for this we must know one equation Ax is equal to B, where A is equal to this determinant value b2 to 4 minus 1 2 7 3 minus 3, and x is equal to x y z, three variable x y z, and b is equal to right hand side constants 14 4g. And from here this x will be equal to A inverse B. When A will go on that side, so it will be called as A inverse. And formula for A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant A. So how we will calculate this adjoint of A? Adjoint of determinant A or any determinant is the transpose of its cofactors. Transpose of its cofactor. Now, first we will find determinant A, then we will find adjoint of A, and then we will find inverse A inverse, and put these values in this equation, and we will find the value of x, y, z. We will solve these equations. So how we will solve the determinant A? So very simple procedure. You start from this row. First element is 3. Leave this row and this column. Then first multiply by this minus 3 into minus 1 3. Put minus itself. ये माइनस अपने आप लिखना पड़ेगा आपको. Multiply 2 into 3 6. Then with second element, first element we have to write positive plus, and with second element we have to write negative. Minus 4, delete this column and this row. First multiply by this, minus multiply by this. Go multiply by 2 into minus 3, minus 6, minus itself. So 2 into 3, 6. Then with third elements, we have to write plus 7. Delete this row and this column. 2 to the 4. Put minus itself. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. So this value will come 3 into minus 3, minus 4 into minus 12, plus 7 into 8, which will be equal to minus 9 plus 84 plus 48. It is 48. 12 4 48 plus 56. It will come 56 and 48. 56 and 7 plus 6, 7 6 42. 7 6 42. It is 6 4 to 6. So 42. So it will be 6 2 8, 5 4 9, and we will subtract 9 from here. It will come 81. So determinant A, value of determinant A is 81. Now we will calculate this adjoint of A. For adjoint of A, we have to find out the cofactors of all the elements of this determinant. So now first we will find out the cofactor. I will tell you cofactor of each element. Cofactor of 3. Cofactor So while finding cofactor, positive and negative sign must be kept in mind. You have to take the positive and negative sign while finding cofactor. But for finding minor, no need of sign. No need of sign. I will tell you. So cofactor of 3, first element, so you take plus, read this row and this column, multiply by this, minus 1 into minus 3, 3, and minus 6, it will be minus 3. It will be minus 3. Cofactor of 4. Cofactor of 4. So positive, negative. Take the sign, negative. Delete this row and this column. 2 minus 3, it is minus 6. And 2, 3, put this minus itself. So it will be minus 12 into minus plus 12. So minus 3 and plus 12. So then we have cofactor of 7. Cofactor of 7. So positive, negative, positive. You take the positive sign. Delete this column and this row. So 2 2 are 4. Minus itself. 2 minus 1. It is minus 2. It is 6. Then cofactor of 3. Cofactor of 3. Positive, negative, positive, negative. Put the negative sign. So delete this row and this column. 3 2 are 6. And 2 4 are 8. Minus itself. This sign you have to put itself. So it will be minus 2 into minus. It is plus 2. Cofactor of this minus 3. Minus 3. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. You put the positive sign. Delete this row and this column. 3 minus 1, it is minus 3. And 2 4. Put the minus itself. So it is minus 11. Cofactor of these 2. You can count the sign from this side also. Plus, minus, plus, minus. So here with this we have to put negative sign. Read this column, this row. 3 3 are 9. Minus 2 7 are 14. So minus, it is 5. It is 5. So then cofactor of this 2. Cofactor of this 2. It will be plus, minus, plus. You put the positive sign. Read this row and this column. 12. Minus itself. Minus 7. So it is 19. Then this cofactor of 2. Plus, minus. Put the negative sign. Read this row and this column. 4 minus 3 minus 12. So minus 40. Minus 40. It is minus 26 and minus 26. And then cofactor of this minus 1. Positive, negative, positive. Put the positive sign. Read this row and this column. E minus 3 minus 9 and 2 7 minus 40. It is minus 23. It is minus 23. So now put these cofactor in this determinant as we have calculated. So first we have to calculate it like we have calculated cofactor like this. So in the same way you write the cofactor. So determinant A cofactors minus 3, 12 like this, 6, 2, minus 11, 5, 19, 26 and minus 23. So what is adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is transpose of cofactors. Transpose of cofactors. So which will be minus A, this column, write this column in row. Minus 3, 26, 19. Write this column in row. 12, minus 23, 5. Write this column in row. 6, 2, minus 10. So this is adjoint of A. So it is adjoint of A minus 3, 26, 19, 12, minus 23, 5, and 6, 2, minus 11. Very good. Now, we have to find out the A inverse. A inverse is equal to adjoint of A, this matrix, this determinant, divided by determinant A, which is 81. So this is 1. When it will go up, it will be like this: 1 over 81. So minus 3, 26, 19, 12, minus 23, 5, 6, 2, minus 11. So now put all these values here in equation 1. Put value of A inverse x and b in equation 1. So equation 1 will be x is equal to x, y, z. A inverse is this 1 over 81 minus 3, 26, 19, 12, minus 23, 5, 6, 2, minus 11, and b is 14, 4, 0, 0. So from here 1 over 81, first row, first column, multiply these two matrices or determinants. Minus 3 into 14, minus 42, 26 into 4, plus 104, 19 into 0, plus 0. Then second row is first column, 12 into 14, 168, minus 23 into 4, minus 92, we have to add this, 5 into 0 plus 0. Then third row, first column, 6 into 14, it is 84, 2 into 4, it is 8 plus 0. So it will come as 1 over 81. So 104, out of 104 you subtract 42. So it is 62. And 168, you subtract 9, we have to subtract 92. It is 76. And 84 and 8 is 92. So 1 over 81 A. So divide this 81 here. 62 are elements. 62 by 81, 76 by 81, and 92 by 81. So this is x, y, z. This is x, y, z. So x is equal to 62 over 81, y is equal to 76 over 81, and z is equal to 92 over 81. So we have solved this equation with the help of Cramers rule. How you will check? How will check your answer is correct or not? So what you will do, you put this value in any of this equation, and if both left hand side and right hand side are equal, it means your answer is correct. If they are not same, LHS left hand side and right hand side is not same, will not be same, then something is wrong, you have done some wrong, you check it again. So let us now put this value in this equation. Let we will put in this equation 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 4. So 2 into x is 62 by 81 minus y is 76 by 81 plus will come 124 by 81 minus 76 by 81 plus 3 to the 6, 3 9 the 27 by 81. So 81 is the LCM. 81 is the LCM. So 124. So we will come here. 124 minus 76 plus 276. So now we will solve this. 276 and 124. 400 and minus 76. 324 by 81. So when we will cut it, it will come 4. So left hand side is 4 and right hand side is also 4. So your answer is correct. And like this you can check your answer. This matrix and determinants, A inverse, adjoint, these things are very helpful in the field of engineering and in the field of software also. Software. We will make number of programs with the help of this matrix and determinants. Array. In the software we have word array. So one must know this. Thank you, students. We will meet you in the next class. Okay.